Good morning, Honorable present here. Myself P. Janagaratnam, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In my previous sessions, I had discussed about the CNC, NC and DNC components and how we are operating this NC, CNC and DNC and CNC EDM. Today we are going to discuss about the topic on how we are interpolating this CNC interpolations. What are the interpolations we have to made and what are the types of interpolations are required to be discussed. First of all, there are three types of interpolations are there. First one is for linear interpolation, and second one is for circular interpolation, and third one is for helical interpolations. Mostly we are preferred as some linear interpolations. Linear interpolation, this moves the tool from starting point to the target point along with a straight line. Only it will take the linear motion. It can be implemented in a 2D plan or 3D space. The programming command should be indicated x, y and z coordinates of the target point and the feed rate. This is called known as linear interpolation. And second one is for circular interpolation. It is programmed to cut the circle's arcs in three principal planes like namely xy or yz and zx direction. Target position or radius cutting plane and feed rate must be specified in our program. Like we have to develop the part programming, which means we can use the G code and M code. G code means geometrical code and M code means machinist code. In that G code we can mention the dimensions of that machining process, and the M codes we can control the machining operations like spindle on off and coolant on off and other things to be controlled by using that M code. Then the helical interpolation means helical interpolations combines the two axis circular interpolations with the linear interpolations in third axis. That is called machining of an helical pockets and threads. We can choose that helical interpolation. Then first one is for hardware interpolations. It consists of pair of DDA integrators. It is the capable of doing and linear and circular operations according to the instructions from the punched tapes. Punched tapes we can enter that part programming. The main features of hardware interpolation is that it controls simultaneously two axes, which can be x and y, or x and z, or y and z. Hardware circuits generate the points that keep the tool path within this tolerance limit. It is used for fine interpolations. Imagine line buffer and vertical interpolator and horizontal interpolator. These are all the some of the hardware interpolation. Software interpolation, this is the computer based approach of hardware interpolations. Basically it is a computer program which simulates a single cycle of hardware interpolator and the feed rate of controller. The computer analysis program divides the tool path into segments and used for coarse rough interpolations. It is the microburst based interpolation system. Samples about 100 times per seconds are to be taken in this system. Then these are all the some of the features of CNC system. For a CNC machining control unit decides cutting speed, feed, depth of cut, tool selections, coolant off and on, and the tool path. The MCU machining control unit issues command in the form of numeric data to the motor that positions slides and the tool accordingly. So MCU machining control unit can control the entire operations of the machining system, and the tool or material moves. Tools can operate in 1 to 5 axes like x, y and z, and x, y, y, z and z axis. More than 5 axes it can be operates. And larger machines have a machining control unit which manage the operations of like tool movement and everything will be controlled by using this MCU, and movement is controlled by using the motors, and feedback is provided by the sensors. Which means we can use that either open loop system or closed loop system. Feedback system accomplished means that is called closed loop system, and we can't prefer the open loop system. Why means we can prefer the closed loop system means the accuracy of the machining process may be increased when compared to the open loop system. These are all the some basic features of CNC machines. Thank you.